Well, hello there, guys, and good morning. So, welcome to the weekly update by Ready Steady Crypto. So, I want to first and foremost thank you all for watching the channel. If you did attend yesterday's webinar, I'm going to pretty much carry on from there. If you didn't, then this is kind of what we go through inside of the webinars. So, as you can see here, yesterday we got a nice close above this area here at 36,200. This is kind of what we was looking at for a weekly close above this level. This does give us a confirmation that we have set a higher high from this area here. So, look, ideally we did want to close above this area here, but whatever we're floating about with the resistance from these levels here, that's why we're getting some rejection around about the 38k mark. But as you can see here, Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins have started off relatively decent this morning. So, everything is looking quite well. So, to break this down on smaller time frames, what we're looking at for Bitcoin through the week, and what potentially can we expect moving forward. So if you attended the webinar last night, we was discussing how price action had been bouncing in and out of this downward ascending triangle. We was actually getting an opening range. We took a trade down here in the market when it crashed last week, but ultimately now we hit the next support level at 40k before being rejected. Now, we've drawn a downward bit of support here, or what's going to act as support, coming on the 4-hour time frame on some candles like this. So this is kind of what I'm looking at this morning. I did say in the webinar last night, once we come down and we retouch this area, this is what's called a break and a retest of a structure. So this is giving us a good indication that price is going to carry on to the upside. We didn't actually get it on this candle, which was in the webinar. So this doji candle here is the weekly close. So if you've just watched the video that I've just uploaded on price action candlesticks, this candle action stick here, this doji candle, is an indecision making candle. So the fact that we've formed this candle here on the top of this bit of downward support gives me confidence that we could again test 40k. Could we not? I'm not sure, but I'll be definitely looking to see if we can take that all the way up to 40k and get a trade all the way up to there. So right now, what current trades am I in? So we did capitalize on the crash last week. So we were still in and around these areas here when once off this support level down here at 34,800, we placed an order around about these positions here, as we did with Hero. So Hero, we got a position at 0.5, in VRA position around here at 0.18. We didn't manage to catch Phantom or Gala. Glitch, I held a little bit of Glitch, but we didn't get back into Glitch. Cadena, so Cadena we managed to get in down here around about the 5 cents mark. Polyastic is still about the entry level that we're looking at, and so is UMB. So UMB was waiting for 10 cents, we're just below as entry price on here. So you can see if you go to the score group here inside of the weekly picks and go back to the 2nd of the 21st, I actually gave you these positions here. So a Bitcoin long, an Ethereum long, a VRA spot, a Hero spot, UMB spot, and a Polyastic spot, as well as a Cadena spot. So they're the 7 picks that I picked as of last week. I'm still going to hold these positions and keep these in the weekly update. So that's for my viewing, guys. You can see here as well, watch list here still remains quite red for the 7-day period of time, but not as red as what it was from last week. You can see in the 24-hour period we've started to get a bit of bullish price action here. So there you go. So I'll just be posting this now inside of the watch list so we can keep an eye on and keep a track on what it is that we're looking, we're charting, and how everything's moving. So back to the markets now. You can see Bitcoin's still out the gate quite nicely at 1.38%, but ultimately, yeah, no more stories have come out today. I'll probably put a bit more of an in-depth daily update up tomorrow because the markets are looking relatively flat right now. Look, thanks for joining, thanks for watching the market updates. If you're not inside the Discord, you can find all the links down in the comments section. Please join. We have a fantastic free area where there's a lot of ebook videos and a lot of great content that's being produced. So enjoy and have a great week of trading. Stay safe.